Getting rid of dark underarms is easy. 9 underarms whitening home remedies. This video will teach you how to why is it beneficial to use baking soda on your underarms, the most efficient method for lightening underarms with lemons. Does using orange peels for black underarms work? Why is it that raw potatoes are the greatest for dark underarms? Is it true that toothpaste may whiten your underarms? A sleeveless or tube dress enhances your figure like nothing else. The beauty is in the exquisite shoulders that make a statement. However, the embarrassment of having black underarms usually prevents us from going that far. For females with dark underarms, sleeveless shirts, chilly shoulders, tube tops, halter necks, and off shoulders are a no-no. Fortunately, these 9 natural solutions are effective in whitening underarms. 1. Why do potatoes have the best results for dark underarms? Lemons can irritate delicate skin and produce rashes or other reactions if used to lighten underarms. Potatoes are less acidic than lemons, making them a better choice for those with sensitive skin. Potatoes have a gentler citric acid, and even though they act slowly, they produce the necessary results. How to lighten dark underarms with potatoes? Step 1. Cut potatoes into slices and apply them over the skin of your underarms. Step 2. After allowing the essence to settle for 10 minutes, wash it with lukewarm water and dry it. Step 3. Do this twice a day. 2. Curd may also be used to lighten underarms. Yogurt, which is strong in basic qualities, is known to remove bacterial remnants that have accumulated on the skin. As a result, it begins to bleach the skin, giving it a lighter tone while also moisturizing it. It destroys odor-causing microorganisms and eliminates body odor. Curd brightens the underarms. Step 1. Make a paste with yogurt and a few drops of honey, a potent bleaching agent. Step 2. Apply to the underarms gently and scrape into the crevices. Step 3. Once a week, wash, pat dry, and repeat. 3. Why apple cider vinegar should be used to get rid of dark armpits. Another mild asset to include in your skincare products, apple cider vinegar not only generates heat to remove dead skin cells, but it also protects against bacterial illnesses and destroys germs that feed on them. It also brightens the skin with moderate bleaching qualities. How to lighten underarms with apple cider vinegar? Step 1. Grind half a cup of rice to get rice flour, a strong coarse exfoliant. Step 2. Mix with apple cider vinegar to make a thick paste. Step 3. Scrub your underarms for around 15 minutes after applying the paste. Step 4. Wash and dry it. Repeat 3 times a week. Remember, the aim is to maintain your armpits clean and healthy by following these instructions on a weekly basis. Repetition will result in stunning underarms. 4. How does a lemon slice help lighten underarms? Lemons are acidic and help to eliminate dead cells. Underarms are also lightened by their bleaching properties. How to whiten your underarms with lemons? Step 1. Half a lemon and dip it in sugar. Step 2. Wrap the slices for 2 minutes on your underarms. Mild stinging and itching are possible side effects. Step 3. Let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing it off with cold water. 5. What are the benefits of baking soda for dark underarms? Dead skin cells accumulate over time, resulting in dark underarms. Not only does it darken your underarms even more, but it also clogs your pores, preventing your skin from breathing. Exfoliating these dead cells from your skin is the key. When baking soda is applied to the skin, it produces a simple exothermic reaction that scrapes dead skin cells off the epidermis, revealing clean skin beneath. How to brighten underarms with baking soda? Step 1. Make a grainy paste with water and baking soda. Step 2. Smooth it over your underarms in a circular manner. Step 3. Wash in cold water and dry with a soft cloth. You may substitute rose water for regular water and do this 3 times a week. Method. On make a paste, combine water and baking soda and apply it to the underarms. Scrub for a minute and a half, then rinse with cold water and pat dry. You may substitute rose water for regular water and do this 3 times a week. 6. Why do most experts recommend milk for dark armpits? This well-known cosmetic product can also help you get rid of dark underarms. We don't recommend going all Cleopatra and bathing in pools of milk, but we do recommend using a few tablespoons for its skin whitening and moisturizing effects. Here's a milk recipe from my granny. How to whiten your underarms with milk. Step 1. Combine 3 tablespoons of milk with 3 teaspoons of gram flour. Step 2. Make a paste with a pinch of turmeric. Step 3. Apply the paste, scrub for at least 10 minutes, and then let it dry. Step 4. Rinse well with cold water and pat dry. Step 5. Do this 3 times a week. 7. Is toothpaste effective in whitening underarms? It certainly does. Toothpaste contains bleaching agents that lighten dark underarms. However, always use white toothpaste, since colored toothpaste contains chemicals that might irritate delicate, sensitive underarm skin. Combine with matcha green tea powder to see a serious result. Matcha green tea is an antioxidant that exfoliates dead skin cells and clears clogged pores. 8. The trick to get rid of black underarms with orange peels. Oranges, like lemons, have the same bleaching qualities as lemons, but with the addition of a lovely smell. When applied to the skin of the underarms, the orange peel not only acts as a whitening agent, but it also acts as a natural deodorant to combat underarm odor. How to whiten underarms with orange peels? Step 1. Peel the oranges and dry the peels on the balcony for a day. Step 2. Once the peels have lost their moisture, crush them into a powder. Step 3. Make a paste using this powder, rose water, and milk, and apply it to your underarms. Step 4. Scrub for at least 15 minutes and then rinse with cold water. Step 5. Do this 3 times a week. 9. Cucumber for dark underarms. Does it work? Sweating causes black discoloration in your underarms, and perspiration causes this. Also, moving our arms while walking or doing any fundamental task causes the skin in our armpits to rupture throughout the majority of the day. The trick is to cool down the area, and what better way to do it than using the world's favorite coolant, cucumber. Cucumbers contain bleaching chemicals in addition to being a cooling agent. How to whiten your underarms with cucumber? Step 1. Cut cucumber slices and massage them on your skin. Step 2. Wash it and pat it dry after 10 minutes. Step 3. Do this twice a day.